The topic of today's video is how to fix League of Legends game just not opening. So what we want to do is we want to go down to our taskbar, right click and open up the task manager. Now in here we want to make sure that League of Legends is not running and the Riot client isn't running anymore. So we can just right click on any of those and end task. So when we're done there, what you want to do is go to your League of Legends shortcut, or you can go to the actual exe if you know what the file path is, and we're going to right click on it. We're going to then click on properties, compatibility, and you can run the program in a different compatibility mode if that helps. Probably not though, but what you would want to do is disable full screen optimizations and make sure to run the program as administrator. Now you can do this on the Riot client as well. I would recommend it. And once you're done, just click on apply. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.